E reo tainui a tainui live e mihi atu nei kia koutou katoa e pikari taringa mai nā ki tēnei tō koutou taonga te reo o tainui heoi no tātou te whiwhi o tātou te tino wai mari e tēnei wā a ko hono tahi mai te tehi o ngā rangatira o Maniapoto o Te Nehenehenui ki tō mātou hotaka i te atanei ki te kōrero tahi ai kia mātou e pāna ki te Rangiwaituhi o te kreme me ki o Maniapoto i tēnei wā nā ka hoki kōmuri ngā whakaaro ki te tau i watakau mārima. Ko ia te tau i waituhu ai te kreme o Waikato ana ko tēnei te tau ka waitohungia te kreme mō Ngāti Maniapoto kei tō mātou taha i tēnei wā e te rangatira. Sam, Mikaere, ngā tino mihi kia koe hoa.
Kia ora.
Yeah, no, welcome to the show, my bro. And of course, big things happening in Te Nehenehenui over the next couple of days. Take us through it.
Yeah, well, you know, we have, it's one thing that this amazing celebration of the 150th at Te Tokonga Nui Anoho. And then on the back of that, to be able to bring in, and while all the whānau are still there, to host the Prime Minister for the official apology to the whānau of Te Nehenehenui. It's although it's not a day of celebration, it's a day where you know, we can come together, kanohi ki te kanohi, rangatira te rangatira, and try to set a path for which Te Nehenehenui can set on it and go forwards. I think one of the aspirations has always been mana motuhaka, and this is almost like the starting date for that point where we can take the settlement, which we've always said was never sufficient, but begin to make our own path and chart our own way. So yes, it's a challenging day because of the kaupapa, but it's also we're honoured to have all of the whānau from Maniapoto and beyond to come in and either tautoko and support this or be part of it. So yeah, it is a big couple of days, and it starts early. So if you're coming, we're starting at 6 a.m. for some, and 7 if those who want to come and get on with the pōwhiri before we kick off for the Prime Minister's arrival.
Ka pai. And of course, this has been a long battle, and I think back at some of the kaumātua of the past. You know, a few years back now, we lost Koro Wetere, ko ia te tehi anō hoki roto I te whare pāremata, who were pushing for this as well. And you had a kāhui of rangatira who helped push this forward. Tell us all about those people and some of the work that you had to put in over the last, I don't know, couple of decades, I suppose, of mahi.
Yeah, and look, I don't... It's something that Maniapoto can be proud of, to see all of their supporters, and you know, just to celebrate Moto Tifa Bell, who will be there on the day, who's been one of the many who have been in there, and for Koro Wetere, you know, for Matua, we have his son on the trust, and he'll be there on the day, and I'm sure that'll be a really touching point for Kruja and his whānau as well. And in order to not miss out on any, all I will say is the people who have come before us, who have laid the path, have made it what it is. That's why we're able to launch from where we are today. And, you know, we've got members on the trust now who remember sitting at the table listening to their kaumātua talking about what the strategy would be and how they'd go forwards. If you talk with Matua Dan Te Kanoa, he will tell you from the onset, they always knew what direction they were going to take it. And just to hear the you know, bringing together the Maniapoto Māori Trust Board, which has now been officially put to rest, and then their aspirations then as we see them now, and then how we take the mana of those people and take it forwards into the strategy that we prepare for our people as we go into the next 5 years of mahi. So, you know, I just want to pay, you know, you can go all the way back to the original creators of the Kawanata, who sat there early Christmas and in 3 days created a document that will live on within Maniapoto's history. And then on the 1st, you know, of January, coming out with the Kawanata 1904, helped stabilizing the whānau of Maniapoto, setting the rohe pōta in the right place, and then beginning the journey. So there's so many people to be humbled by and to pay tribute to that. I think we always say that it's just our duty now to ensure that we work as hard as they did or harder and move forwards and take the iwi with us as we go.
Ka pai mata te huru ka rere ai te manu ai ki te kōrero, and definitely you guys are the huru of that manu today, making sure that of course you can fly into the future all guns blazing. Okay, so for the whānau who can't make it there, tinana, there is an opportunity for them to link in via live stream.
Correct. So Maniapoto FM, you know, great radio station also, just a little prop out there for them. They will be doing a live stream for the whānau. You can get on our Facebook page. And just so you're all aware, while you're out there, we will be kicking off 6 a.m. We're going to start with just to make sure our whānau stays safe. We'll be doing testing and shuttling services, karakia and raising of the flags at 7. 8 a.m. we're going to go for the pōwhiri of all our esteemed guests. We have our whānau from Tainui Waka coming, as well as our iwi katoa in Aotearoa, who will be joining us on the day. And then we expect the Prime Minister and her team to show up at 10 for the pōwhiri of the Crown officials. Parikai is at 12. So whānau, we can't share that with you live on stream, but I'm telling you it'll be delicious. I understand the whānau from Pio Pio and Napi Napi are doing their Kentucky Fried Tuna, which is a special favourite of everybody. I believe. So it'll be a very, hopefully a well-timed day that we can get through. But Maniapoto FM will be doing a live stream. Go to our Facebook page. We'll have a link there and you'll be able to watch it whānau from anywhere around the world. So.
Ka pai. Well, te tae, te tatari, kia eke anō hoki e rā atu o ngā pau o Tainui Waka. Of course, you have Waikato, we've already done their claim. We've got Te Nehenehenui now, Maniapoto. So, can't wait for Pare Hauraki me raukawa, ka mutu a raukawa toa ki roto I te tonga. Kia hono mai ki tēnei kaupapa nō hoki e te rangatira e Sam, ka tukuna te rākau kia koe pai, if you've got anything to say in closing.
Just come early whānau. We'll have some merch there as well for our whānau who want to grab shirts. We'll also be making available some of our jackets as well, which we're going to be putting out there for whānau who would like to gain access to them. So on the day, lots of things going, lots of events. We've got some really great, during our parekai, we'll have a rangatahi speaker as well, who will address our kaupapa going forwards. And we've be joined by our own Charmaine Turner and Rio Hall. So we're really excited about the music on the day. So come one, come all. It'll like I said, it's a somber day, but Amuria Te Kai, we are going to really just celebrate the day and be part of the whole modi of the event. So kia ora.
Ka pai, ka ngangaro e hoa, ka mutu e tino mihi nei ki a koutou, e whaia nei I tēnei wawata tia nei e o tūpuna, I o tātou tūpuna, kia eke tātou ki tēnei o ngā tihi mau, ngā no reira ngā mihi kia koe Sam, I whai wahi atu ki tātou I tēnei o ngā ata,